using all that money they've made as the world's manufacturing workshop, what did China do to improve their country? Invest in education and infrastructure, two major building blocks in creating a successful society. Education is a top priority for China, who has made a major commitment to its development and implementation. The Chinese education system is constantly evolving and improving its methods of better educating all its citizens, especially in areas such as critical thinking. Top-ranked universities in China are heavily subsidized, making them the most affordable university for top students, while extensive vocational schools provide even more educational choices. There's no student debt problem in China. China makes massive investments in and has implemented long-term strategic planning in infrastructure. China has the largest high-speed rail network and highway system in the world, linking urban and rural areas while supporting economic integration. Cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou have very extensive metro systems. Bike sharing and electric buses are widespread. China has over 240 airports that are among the world's busiest, with new mega airports like Beijing Daxing showcasing cutting-edge designs. 7 of the world's largest ports are in China. China leads the world in renewable energy with over 40% of installed wind and solar capacity. The Three Gorges Dam is the world's largest hydropower project, and China operates over 50 nuclear reactors, with even more under construction. China has made heavy investments in smart grids, energy storage, and electric vehicle charging. China also has the world's largest 5G network. What China doesn't do is spend most of its money on things like military bases all over the world, endless wars, give massive tax cuts to the ultra-wealthy, and let speculative financial institutions run wild.